Hello everybody, this is Naomi. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Summer Friends from Decor8 for Life. And the lady that is responsible for this, her name is Sandy Spiegel. They were asking for somebody to help do a collab. So I volunteered. Not sure what's in here. I haven't opened it up yet. I'm like really excited to see what's in here. So let's get started. I'll flip it over, and they've got it well decorated with these pretty little kitties. Let's see if I can tear them off and be able to maybe save them. I'm gonna get me a pair of scissors. And we'll just cut above them for now. Yeah. And then maybe I can save them. Okay. And they've got them packed in here good, because they don't want to come out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Set this to the side. And oh, look at this cord. Isn't that pretty? It says crafters are more fun. It says, hi Naomi, I'm so excited that you're a guest designer for us. Looking forward to your creations. Sandy Nagel. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that. Okay, let's set this to the side. We have there's 16 pages at 8.25 by 8.25. There's 65-pound cardstocks and 8 designs. These are so cute. Sorry about that. I had a call come in. I had to answer it. I hate having calls come in while I'm trying to do a video, but it happens. Oh, I hated tearing that, but it happens. Okay. So let's check out these beautiful designs. These are so pretty. Look at this little girl. Okay. This is your cover sheet. And so many things can still be made out of your cover sheets if you do it. Okay. Then we have this one. Isn't she pretty? Okay, then we have 2 of those. And we have 2 of this little girl and a gnome. The bee theme. Okay, let me get these back down here where you can see. My camera's up a little. There we go. That makes that better. Okay. Then you have this one. I'm trying to get it in where you can see it all. And that's a little beehive. And I love the dingham black and white checkerboard. And And then you have this one with the little gnomes and the hearts. And the flowers up here. And you have this little girl with the two gnomes. These are so pretty. I love the beads. And this one, look at this little bee. Got the bees in the background. This is going to be a fun kit to work with. Then you got this one. Pretty, 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 pretty. And you got this last one. And it's the bees with the gnomes and the little characters. These are so pretty. I love this. Okay, so there's that. And that one was, yep, Summer Friends paper collection. Okay. So let me set this one to the side so that nothing happens to it. And then we'll open this one. And this one's got 4 cardstock designs, same as that one. Oh, that one had 8 designs. Cool. And then there's their logo. Okay. Let's make something beautiful. Won't be hard with these papers. These are beautiful papers. Okay. So these are going to be basically like background papers. But they're still very pretty. Love the little gnome bee. Okay, there's 4 designs in this one. So you get 4 papers of the same. And this is real nice cardstock. Look, I just love her expression on her face. Look. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 4. Very pretty. Love it. And they got it in blue. Very pretty. And then we have it in this color with the black dingham at the top. Okay, so this is the unboxing part of it. And I will be back to do some actual crafting with this, and we will be doing videos for each one of those that I do, whether it be cards that I make or just different things with the kit. If you're interested in this kit, you can find her at on Facebook at Decor8yourlife, and I think she's also got I don't know, I'll have to check and give you more information when but I think she's got Instagram as well. I may be wrong, but I know she has her group on Facebook, and she has a store to where you can purchase any one of these designs. And I'm not sure what they cost. I'd have to go into her store and pull up that information. But this is two beautiful sets of paper, and I am very, very, very excited to have the opportunity to work with them and see what I can make with them. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, Sandy and Jenny, to make different designs with your beautiful papers. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a happy and blessed day.